In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate elements and control animation timing in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add motion to text, photos, and shapes, and how to fine-tune when each animation begins so your design feels polished and intentional. First, open Canva, log in, and open the design you want to work on. This could be a presentation, a social post, or any canvas where you want elements to move. Make sure your design is fully loaded so changes preview smoothly. Next, click on the element you want to animate. This can be a text box, an image, a shape, or even a grouped set of items. When you select something, you'll see its bounding box and the top toolbar will update. If you ever don't see the animation options, it usually means nothing is selected, so just click the element again. Now, look at the top toolbar and click Animate. This opens the animation panel on the side with a variety of styles you can apply. Choose an animation that matches your message, something subtle for professional projects, or something more dynamic if you want attention. As you explore, Canva gives you an instant preview so you can quickly see how each style feels before committing. With an animation style chosen, it's time to control when it starts. In the Animate panel, click Timing, or open the three-dot menu to find the timing controls. This is where you set the delay. The delay slider lets you push the animation to start later, measured in seconds. You can also type in a specific number if you want precise control, including fractional seconds like 0.3 or 1.5. Think of delay as the countdown before the motion begins. Use it to stagger elements so they appear one after another, or to sync moments with a voiceover or background music. When you've set a delay you're happy with, click Play to preview your design. Watch closely and note whether the timing feels natural and aligned with the rest of the layout. If it's too fast or too slow, adjust the delay and preview again. Repeat this process for other elements as needed, applying different delays so everything comes in at just the right moment. That's it. Open your design, select an element, pick an animation, set the delay and the timing controls, and use Play to refine. With a bit of experimentation, your Canva projects will look smooth, engaging, and perfectly timed.